99% of people out there actually search on YouTube in a very basic way. Matter of fact, in a boring way. Yet, YouTube has provided you with a tool which can actually take your ability to search from 0 to 100 real quick. Guys, is that what I'm going to be discussing? A very simple YouTube feature which assists you optimize on your search. You all are much welcome to my channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. Do this. Go to YouTube right now and click on the search bar. Search for anything. To give you an example, search for Nairobi, Kenya. After searching, it's going to return some results. Okay? Guys, over 99% of people out there are satisfied with these results. Yet, YouTube has a feature which can actually assist you enhance or even narrow down exactly what you're looking for. Under the return result, there's a given filter button. That is the magic tool you can use to actually enhance your search ability on YouTube. When you click on this filter button, you're going to realize that actually YouTube provides you with the ability to customize whichever search results that are returned. For example, you can actually customize to only see the most recent videos, right? You can also customize to only see the videos with the most views under that particular keyword. And most interestingly also, you can customize your search, for example, to see the videos based on quality. For example, a video of 4K, a video of whichever other format out there, you can customize for you to be able to only see those videos which meet your specifications. And in case you have a lot of time at your hand, you can even choose the length of video you want to watch. For example, videos under 4 minutes, videos between 4 minutes, 20 minutes, or even videos over 20 minutes. You have the control. Customize your search and you're gonna have the best user experience. What do you think about this tool? Did you know it existed or you've known this particular point in time? Share with us down below. And by the way, if you love what I've just shared with you, remember to drop a like on this video.